Good morning, learners. In the last class, we have seen how to use group by and aggregate functions so that we can base our aggregate functions on a particular column and find out the values. In this case, we have seen according to a movie ID, what are the average ratings. Here we have taken the group by function on movie ID and we are calculating the rating and its mean with respect to one movie, each movie ID. So we take the movie ID for each movie ID. What are the mean ratings we have calculated? And if we wanted to count how many ratings are given for each movie, then we can take the movie ID. Group by should be based on movie ID, and we can count the number of ratings given for each of the movies. Now in this session, we are going to see how to merge the data frames. We have already seen that movie ID is available in one table along with some data, and movie ID and the name is in another table. Now if we wanted to know here in this case, we are just knowing what are the movie IDs and number of ratings given to this to each of the movie IDs. And here movie IDs and the average rating given to each movie ID. But we are not able to find which movie it is because it is in a different table. Now we should see how to merge two data frames so that we can extract data by basing our queries on both the data frames. In this case, let us take tags table, which has user ID, movie ID, and the tag given for that movie. But here we don't have the movie name available. So let us also see what are the columns available in movies table. It is movie ID, title, and the genre of the movie. Now, if we want to merge these two tables so that we get movie ID, movie name along with its tag and genre, that will be much relevant information for us in order to know which movie is given which kind of tag and to which genre it belongs. So this is the command we need to frame movies. We are trying to merge two data frames here, movies and tags. So we need to start with movies dot merge method has to be called merge method, and it requires as parameters with which table it has to be merged, with which data frame it has to be merged. So movies table has to be merged with tags table, and on which column it is being merged. Both of them have to have similar column in order to perform the merging. So on which column we are basing our merging operation. It is based on movie ID and in what way we are performing the join operation, whether it is inner join or outer join or left join, which will give priority to the left hand side table, means whichever is used as left hand side table operator, and for which no matches are found in right hand side table, then it will just append null values to it if no matching values are found. In the same way, if we take right join, then all the unmatched values in the right hand side table will be kept intact by giving by embedding some null values on the left hand side tables unmatched rows. So here we are performing inner join. The type of join, how we are performing the join, we are performing inner join, and this we are storing it in a data frame object T and getting all the details. When we execute this, we can see that movie ID, title, genre, user ID tag, all these fall into one single data frame T, and we are obtaining the first 5 data points in this. So this table has the details of movie ID along with the title and the genres given to those movies. So this will enable us to find movie ID along with its title at the same place. This is how we can perform merging of two data frames. Now let's combine aggregation operation, merging operation, and filters to perform more useful, more advanced analytics. In this case, we are taking on the ratings table, we are basing our group by function, and we are grouping it with respect to movie ID, and we are taking the index as false. We don't want the index values, and calculating the mean. So we are taking the movie IDs, we are taking the ratings table, and we are calculating the average ratings for all the movie IDs, and that we are storing in average ratings object. I'm repeating again, we are taking from the ratings table, we are taking movie ID and grouping by movie ID, calculating the mean of all the values that we are storing in average ratings. And we are also trying to delete user ID from average ratings, because mean of user ID doesn't make any meaningful aggregation function, because user IDs are used for identifying the data points uniquely. So we can't base any aggregation functions on IDs. So we delete this and we get the average ratings first 5 data points. Now we can see for movie ID 1, the average ratings given are 3.8. Average ratings given is 3.8, and movie ID 2 average rating given is 3.4, and so on. This is how we can perform group by function on a table itself. And while doing this, we should be careful enough to delete some non-numerical values on which it makes no sense though we apply this group by and aggregate functions. Now here we are merging movies table with this average ratings table. Not only the basic data frames, but if you build some data frames after performing some aggregate operations, even those data frames can be merged with the existing data frames. That is what we are doing in this command. With the movies data frame, we are merging this average ratings data frame so that we can get the movie names and their average ratings, rather than here this is partial information, right? We have only movie IDs and the ratings. We doesn't have the movie titles. But in this case, movies dot merge, we are merging it with average ratings, what we have created in the previous command, and we are basing our join operation, merging operation on movie ID, and we are performing it as a inner join. Now, when we take the last 5 data points in this, we can see that movie ID along with its title, genres, and its average rating is being displayed. Now, this provides us more meaningful information because we have movie ID along with its title and also their average rating, so that we can decide which genre movie with high rating we wanted to watch. We can prefer to watch such movies which has our favorite genre, at the same time having good rating given by the users. Now, if we wanted to know only the highly rated movies where the rating is greater than or equal to 4, then we can create a filter and apply that filter on this box office data frame. This box office data frame has details of all the movies along with their genres and the ratings, average ratings given to them. Now we are creating a filter on for this box office rating. On this box office table for the rating column, we are creating a filter such that all the rating value should be greater than or equal to 4, and that we are saving in a filter is highly rated. So this object name, this filter name is more appealing now, right? It tells us more information. We wanted to extract information about highly rated movies. That filter is saved with the name is highly rated. Now this is highly rated filter is being applied on the box office data frame. So this is the data frame we have with the name box office. Now this filter we are applying on this box office data frame so that we get the details of movies which are highly rated with ratings greater than or equal to 4, and we are getting last 5 data points. This we are slicing out, though we have many data points filtered out into the result. We are just preferring to view only last 5 data points by giving it as -5 in the slicing operation. When we execute this, we can see the last 5 data points in this highly rated data frame, movies which are highly rated data frame, and we can see that all the ratings are greater than or equal to 4. So we can see that the movies Piper, The Last Brickmaker in America, all these are highly rated movies along with their genres and average ratings. Now, if we are interested to watch movies with a particular genre that belongs to a particular genre, so say if we are in some depressing mood, we wanted to watch comedy movies, or if we are having a get together, we prefer to watch some horror movies. Like that, if we wanted to know the genre of the movie, whether it contains comedy. We have already seen that the genre contains multiple genres, right? One movie is given multiple genres like romance, thriller, documentary, or drama. So we wanted to filter out only the movies that belong to the genre of comedy. So from this, we take box office on this table, on this box office hits table, we give a filtering on the genres column. If this box office table, this box office data frame contains all the box office hits because it has the movies with average rating 4 or greater than, or with average rating greater than or equal to 4. So when we take this box office table and we apply our condition on the genres column, so that the string should contain the genre comedy. Okay, this we are saving as a filter is comedy. Now this is comedy filter we are applying on the box office and getting the top 5 data points. We can see here all the movies with genre comedy are listed out here along with their average ratings. So these are all properly rated, highly rated movies which we can prefer to watch. Now, if we wanted, these are not highly rated movies, but these are average rating details we get. Still, we haven't viewed it with respect to another filter, highly rated. We just got the details of the movies along with comedy genre and their average ratings. Now, we wanted comedy movies at the same time, they should be highly rated. In such cases, we can apply both the filters. We can combine the filters by using the logical operator AND. So on this box office table, we wanted only comedy movies, and also another criteria here we prefer is they should be highly rated. The rating should be greater than or equal to 4. In this case, we can see there are even lesser ratings that are given to some movies. But we wanted to filter out the data of comedy genre movies. At the same time, they should be highly rated. So we take both the filters at a time and combine them with a logical AND operator and apply it on the box office data frame and get the last 5 data points by giving this slicing operation -5 with all the columns, means from last 5 data points with all the column values. Now we can see all the movies in this filtered out values, they belong to genre comedy. At the same time, they have high ratings greater than or equal to 4. This is how we can extract data in which we are interested in which we prefer to get as a result.